Here are the top 8 things you need to look for before buying earbuds. The sound quality. The sound quality indicates how well you hear the instruments and vocals without distortions. The bass. Strong bass will make the low notes sound strong and heavy and give more depth to the music, but over-strong bass will make the music lacking in detail. Noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is responsible for blocking out sound from the outside. You would want it to be as isolating as possible without having distortion. The transparency mode. The transparency mode allows you to hear the outside world while having earbuds inside your ears, and you would want it to be as unnoticeable as possible without any static. The design. There's much to say here, so pay attention. The design should be light and small as possible to minimize weight on your ears and to make the earbuds more comfortable. The more compact they are, the easier it is to carry them around. And by having small control on the earbuds, you would be able to control them without reaching to your phone. Also, make sure they have sweat and water resistance, as you do not want them to break if you sweat a little at the gym. And although it seems obvious at first, the battery is actually split between the earbuds and the portable case. And the case is used to recharge the earbuds on the go. And while the more the merrier, 6 hours in the earbuds and 18 hours in the case are the industry standard. Software. The software is very important for customizing the sound, the bass, the transparency, and noise cancellation. It is one of the most important things when it comes to earbuds. So ensure you check your manufacturer's software and what comes with it. Connectivity. Although the impact of connectivity on the experience is minor, it will help if you considered it. It determines how far the signal can go, how strong it will be, and if you can connect to 2 devices at once. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe to receive our next video about the best earbuds for each occasion, or read it right now at findby.org. Link in the description.